uue Põhjala köögi edulugu. See on küll selline uus tulnuk köök, mis on poliitiliste otsuste ja viimaste selliste arengutega sünnitatud. Et me oleme rääkinud Prantsuse, Itaalia ja muudes köökides ja uuest Põhjala köögist räägime viimased 10-15 aastat aktiivselt, et see on täitsa uus nähtus. Ja ennäe, ei läinudki palju aega ja siin me oleme, et pakkumegi Eesti toitu. Maailm on maitseid täis ja Eesti toit ka areneb, et seal on ka tulevad sellised võõraid maitseid juurde, aga kui palju neid tuleb, seda iga kopp otsustab ise.
Witness the exciting spirit by these youngsters from Liverpool. Now tonight, you're going to twice be entertained by them. Right now, and again in the second half of our show, ladies and gentlemen, the Beatles! I've just seen the place, I can't forget the time or place where we just met. She's just the girl for me, and I want all the world to see we've met. Had it been another day, I might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. But as it is, I'll dream of her tonight.
With very high floor and no ventilation. This is all grass is fat, cooking that get on the floor and that came back. And chefs catch this with this hat, does not get inside, but this is take a turbulation and this stay a cold, head stay a cold. And now in the plane, you put this in head the side. This is priva. When you get very warm, I bring you this hat.